What's going on, everyone? Brendan from Koso here once again, and today we're going to be looking at our HB-01 heated grips for bicycles. So these grips are made of a weather-resistant material, which means you can ride them in rain, you can ride them in mud, you can ride them in the snow. So you don't ever have to worry about the texture or anything getting damaged. Very, very easy to install. It's just a small little set screw that will hold them in place, and they are 7/8 inch in diameter on the interior. So the controller for these heated grips is just a 3-position switch. It is a high, a low, and an off, which has a color indication for high, a color indication for low, and then no light for off. So the first step to installing our heated grips is you want to pull off your stock grips. So you're just going to need an Allen key, get into the set screw here, and pull these bad boys off. Just going to loosen them. They should come off relatively easily. If you're having trouble, give it a little twist and it'll come right off. And then we're just going to do the other side here, and this one should come off too. There we go. So now that you got your stock grips off, you got to get ready to get your heated grips on. So now you're going to take your HB-01 heated grips and you're going to slide both of them right onto your bars where your stock grips were removed from, and you're just going to want to tighten them in a comfortable position. So once you've got everything installed, your 2 heated grips and all your wires ready to go, find a spot for your controller. You can tie wrap it to your bike, and then the final step will be to plug your USB port into a power box. So this is a power box that you might have laying around. You're gonna need to get you one of these if you want to have the heated grips fully functional. And then once they're on, turn on your power box and you have power. Well, that concludes this video, so thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next time, and don't forget to subscribe for any new products or content that we may have coming out in the future. Oh, it's snowing out. Good thing I got my heated grips.